Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Law Minds, this exploration of the captivating landscape of intellectual property rights in the vibrant Republic of India. Today, we shall delve into the legal frameworks, examine contemporary trends, and contemplate the challenges confronting this crucial realm. So, I've divided the video into three sections: overview of intellectual property rights, legal framework for IPR in India, emerging trends and challenges in India. I'm Rohan Das. Today, I'll guide you in this video about how IPR works in India. So let's begin with the first section, overview of the intellectual property rights. So imagine a bustling marketplace of ideas where inventions gleam like polished gems and creative expressions dance like vibrant tapestries. In this marketplace, intellectual property rights act as a invisible fences safeguarding the fruits of one's ingenuity and fostering an environment conducive to innovation. India, a modern day colossus, recognizes this essential principle. Its legal framework, a tapestry woven from the Patent Act, Copyright Act, Design Act, and various other statutes, provide a robust system for registering and protecting diverse forms of intellectual property right. I call this IPR Act as a kaleidoscope of rights. So when I see this, kaleidoscope of rights, I mean that within this framework lies a dazzling array of rights. The patents, which shield groundbreaking inventions, while trademarks stand guard over the iconic symbols of commerce, while copyright, importantly very, grant exclusive dominion over literary and artistic expressions, from the haunting melody of a raga to the intricate line of a rangoli pattern. But the canvas also extends further. The geographical indications. Now, what is that? It is like we celebrate the unique character of Darjeeling tea and Alfonso mangoes, while industrial designs ensure the distinctive shapes of saris and jewelry remain unblemished. So, why is it a technological tango? Like, what is the importance of IPR? As India waltzes with the cutting edge of technology, new trends emerge within the IPR arena. Artificial intelligence and biotechnology pose novel challenges, demanding a legal framework that embraces innovations while safeguarding ethical considerations. The burgeoning realm of e-commerce necessitates a focus on copyright protection in the digital domain. I hope you're clear with the first section. Now we'll delve into the second one, the legal framework of IPR in India. So, before going into this, we must know like who controls the general of patent designs and trademark. The responsibility for this administration of patent design and trademark in India goes with the Copyright Office, which oversees the registration and protection of copyrights in literary, artistic, and musical works. Whereas the Geographical Indication Registry manages the registration and protection of geographical indications, ensuring the authenticity and quality of products. So the IPL laws and regulations are very dynamic. In the year 2019, here held it a significant shift in India's copyright landscape with the enactment of two key legislations. One, the Copyright Amendment Act 2019. So what is this? This act addresses a plethora of concern, including term of copyright, extension of copyright from literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works up to 70 years after the life of the author, aligning with international standards. It introduced a fair use of broader and clearer doctrine, facilitating research, education, and criticism. It gave a royalty right. So, what is this royalty right? It granted visual artists a resale royalty right, ensuring they share in the financial gains accruing from subsequent sales of their works. The copyright rules of 2019 also provided practical guidelines for implementing the amended act, covering aspects like registration procedures, licensing agreements, and digital rights management. So as you can see the registration procedure, the copyright registration in this slide, where it states that it involves the submission of the application along with the requisite fee and copies of the work to be protected. So for example, like if you have a new invention or you have something new work like new design or some new music, what you can do is like you can go to the office of the registrar and you can submit an application where you need to give a requisite amount of fee, and the copies which the original copies should be protected there. So this is how it works. Now we'll go into the enforcement and protection of this IPR. While the amendments brought welcome changes, effective enforcement remains a online piracy impacting music, film, and literary works. Strengthening cyber enforcement mechanisms and fostering public awareness are very crucial. So, what is the role of technology in it? The copyright societies and digital rights management technologies can streamline licensing and track usage, aiding the fair compensation for creators. If we talk about the international cooperations, it is like collaborating with international organizations and strengthening bilateral agreements fosters effective cross-border enforcement and protects Indian creators globally. Protecting IPR beyond borders. So what is it? It's like IPR protection extends beyond mere copyright. We must consider the broader ecosystem. First, we'll talk about patents. So safeguarding inventions is vital for fostering innovation and driving technological advancement. Streamlining the patent registration process and combating infringement are crucial. Protecting brand identities is essential for fostering fair competition and consumer trust. Effective enforcement against counterfeiting and trademark infringement is vital. So the last section of this is the emerging trends and challenges in IPR. So yet like a diamond is very rough in the making, the Indian IPL landscape still bears certain imperfections. So what are the backlogs in registration process? Test the system efficiency while enforcement mechanisms require constant strengthening to combat piracy and infringement. But India, a land of unwavering resilience, is rising to these challenges, streamlining administrative procedures, raising public awareness, and fostering closer collaboration with international bodies are all steps towards a brighter future. So, while ending this video, I state IPR as a symphony of innovation. So, why is it so? It is a question. Why IPR is a symphony of innovation? Merely I say this because protecting intellectual property is not merely a legal pursuit, it is the lifeblood of a nation's creative and economic vitality. By addressing present challenges and embracing emerging trends, India can orchestrate a symphony of innovation where investors, inventors, artists, and entrepreneurs find the fertile ground to flourish. As citizens of this golden bird country, it is our duty to engage in this grand endeavor, contributing to the evolution of a robust and adaptable IPR framework that propels India towards a future blooming with ingenuity and prosperity. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got a brief idea of how IPR works in India. So signing off from Law Minds, this is your host Rohan Das. Stay knowledgeable, stay empowered. Thank you.